All right, the adapter finally showed up. So this is how I'm going to be able to run 8S. So I'm going to run the 2 Beast batteries off this, EC5s or whatever those are. And then it connects to these. So these are 2 different adapters. I just wanted to show y'all guys that. That's how I was able to do it. They sell these on Amazon. They sell these on Fearless RC. Alright, I got these 2 Beast batteries. I think these are 11,000. They're crazy. But these is maxed out. You ain't getting nothing bigger in this case. Surprised these fit. Little modification to the top. So we can close it. We can use the top. You know, we want to keep everything efficient. It's a tight squeeze. I mean a tight squeeze, like a girdle tight squeeze, but it works. That's what you gotta do. I made a little bit too much room, but it should be alright. Alright, let's go. Alright, we got like 5 minutes of daylight left. Let's see how fast this goes on 8S. That's what we all been waiting for. That 8S power. We got no sunlight. Mosquitoes are biting. Got you in action. That's dead right there. Can't go near the gas. Can't go near the gas. Can't go near the throttle. What we got? 48? 48. I said 50. It'll do 50, bro. Tire fell off. Yeah, that was the metal. It's probably hot. That was pretty cool. Light show. All right. How fast? 51. Told you. 50 miles an hour off the clock, yo. We lost the wheel. The ELT. 51 miles an hour out the box. We get the right tires. I reckon this thing will do 60. Maybe 55. I'm telling you, I did not even go near full throttle. Don't forget, give us a thumbs up, guys. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Get back at you. Peace.